Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got some new fun items to unbox for you guys, and some of those we're going to be putting at our retail space, but a lot of them were also available on hookedonpickin.com. I'm going to open all 4 of these boxes, show you exactly what's inside, and share all the fun. So make sure you stay tuned to the very end of the video. I'll be putting prices on each and every item so that if you're interested in them, then you can buy them. So let's get to unboxing. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, we're going to start with one of these short ones right in front here and see what we have inside. Okay, lots of little things. Oh, these are amazing. So these are new. These are a boardwalk clock. Kind of has a bit of a nautical theme. I think I have it upside down there. So it's got a little rope there, and it is battery operated. And so nice wood kind of shiplap look with a frame on it. And then we've got the hanger there, and it takes 1 AA battery for the actual clock. So aren't those cool? So we're going to put some down in the retail space, and then we're definitely also going to put some on hookedonpickin.com. Stay tuned to the end. We'll put prices on everything. So it looks like that is everything that's in this box. So make sure. Yep, so that's what's in this box. So I'm just going to move this over here a little bit and get it out of our way. And then we're going to open this tall box here. Boy, that's seen better days, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, I'm already intrigued because I see names that I'm not familiar with, so I'm hoping that it's new kind of product. All right, so there's that. Oh my. Okay, these are called pyramid planters. So it looks like, I just take these all out of their wrapping. It'll take a while to put it back together, but I just really want to see what these look like. So it looks like, oh, they're zip tied together, or they're twisty tied together. Let me go ahead and put them, I really want to display them well. There we go.
They're well packaged.
Yes, they are. And I will put them all right back together the way they were before I ship any. So these are called pyramid planters. And it looks like you got 2 little cups. I'm going to pull one of these out of their container, but I'll leave the other one wrapped. That's what they look like. Aren't they cute? Little pyramid planters? Those are gorgeous. Put little stair step. You could get a set of 2 and have like 2 short ones and 2 tall ones and make a little row.
Put that on the desk for your pencils and pens and stuff.
Oh, you could put that on the desk for your pencils and pens. Put your little Post-it notes underneath and then put your pencils and pens in here. That's a great idea. I love that. So it's called a pyramid planter, but you could really use it for just, it's metal. So you could use it for just about anything. So,
it's nice.
Yeah, they are really cool. I'm just going to put this back in so I don't lose this.
$1,000.
$1,000. No, come watch till the end. We're going to price everything at the end. Let me put the box where it goes with it. Keep everything together. All right, so we've got some more of those in this box, but then we also have this one, which is a new name that I've not seen of a product. So Paul does a lot of the picking out of the products from this particular company, and he does a phenomenal job. Okay, this says windmill table art small. Is this what I think it is? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Make sure you stay tuned to the end so you know exactly what we'll be pricing everything for. Look at this thing. Sorry, I know I'm kind of hiding it. Look at that. I can actually, I think, slide it right out because it's open right here. How cool is that? That's amazing. I love that so much. So it is a windmill, a metal windmill. So you could put it outside if you wanted, but you could put it on your desk, your end table. This would be perfect on a bookshelf. Really nice decor piece.
Yeah, it's not a functional.
Yeah, it doesn't spin.
It's just decor.
But it's
So,
really...
I don't think it spins.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
it does not spin. No. How cool is that? I love it. Love it, love it. All right, we're going to set this over here too. I don't lose all the pieces and pack it back perfectly. All right, we've got more of the pyramid planters in here and one more windmill. So that's what's in that box. So we've got 2 boxes down, 1 more to go. Or 2 more to go, sorry. Someone's over there. You can't count, Heather. There's 2 more boxes left. Right? Some days I can't count. You guys have days like that? I have days like that. Some days, doesn't matter what I do, I just can't count. All right. All right, then we have, ooh. I'm gonna do this, open it right here. It says it's some sort of a frame. Four by 6 slatted wood photo frame. Oh, I love these. Oh my goodness, look at that. How beautiful is that?
It's like pallet wood.
It is like pallet wood. It's all different colors. It's a 4 by 6 frame. I love that. So you can hang it up. It does have a hook to hang, or you could just stand it up on a table just like that.
It's our colors too.
It is our colors. Yep. I'm a blue fan. I like blue. Awesome. Super excited about that. That's gorgeous. All right, so we've got some more of those in here. Lots more of those in here. Let me see. Yeah, they go all the way down. All right, then we have these. I just want to make sure there's nothing else in here underneath hiding. Ooh, there is some stuff hiding underneath. Some bigger boxes. They're good about ninjaing stuff in here. Okay, so everything else, I've got this little square box here, and then the tall box that I still need to open up. Make sure. Okay. All right. I think that is it. Wait, do I have another? Nope, those are all wooden frames. Okay, so we will have seen everything in this box once I open those other 2 boxes. There's just multiples of these particular things. So we're going to open this guy. Oh, it's a little white bathtub. We had a yellow bathtub, but this one, yeah, this one is a little, they call it a planter or sponge holder. So you can put a potted plant in it because it does have the little holes in the bottom, or you can put a sponge, like your soap sponge or your loofah or whatever, or your bar of soap next to the sink. So, and it's supposed to have a distressed look. So this is not broken. It's supposed to look like that.
What is it called? Clawfoot?
Yeah, it's a clawfoot bathtub. Here, let me set it down for you. There you go. So yeah, those are cool. All right, then we're going to look and see what is inside this bigger box. Okay, this looks like one of our fountains. We have tons of beautiful fountains online. Hopefully you guys bought one for your mom for Mother's Day. But this is our most popular one right here. It's the hummingbird one. So every fountain comes with some extra rocks. So these little extra pebbles will go in the top here. And it comes with the pump included. So all of our fountains on our store come completely equipped to be 100% functional. So that's our hummingbird fountain. Put these back in there so I don't lose it. All right, and then let's open this last box. And then remember, we are going to price everything, so you know exactly how much to find them for on hookedonpickin.com, or we'll tell you how much we're going to price them for down at the retail space that we have near us. So, okay, this looks like, okay, it's an entire box of the windmills. So we've got 4 more windmills in that box. All right, so we're going to go ahead and price everything and let you know how much everything costs. All right, we've got everything priced, even some of our fun new things. All right, for the cool kind of blue picture frame that looks a little like weathered wood, $9.99 for that. And then we have our cool nautical themed clock that looked like shiplap, $24.99 for that. Then we have our cool soap dish bathtub with the black rim, $9.99 for that. Then we have our hummingbird water fountain with pump and everything to make it functional, $39.99. Then our beautiful desk decor or, coffee table decor, $29.99 for the metal windmill. And then we have $24.99 for the set of pyramid planter kind of office tabletop decor. So there's all the prices for everything that you see there that we got to unbox. So we're really excited about the new items. You can find most of this on hookedonpickin.com, and then some of it we'll be putting in our retail space that we get the opportunity to show you. So we'll try to tag the video at the end of this after we make it. So hopefully it's been fun. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you know every time I put a video out. Also, we have Pickin's mystery boxes on hookedonpickin.com. If you have not been there to see the Pickin's mystery boxes, you are missing out. We always put more than the dollar amount that's in the box inside there, and so you can pick a $25 box, a $50 box, or a $75 box in various different categories. You can get knives, you can get home and kitchen, you can get toys, you can get various different things. And so check out the different varieties. And my favorite one is we have Mystery of Mysteries, which is a plethora of different things that will be more than the amount that you pay for the box. So if it's a $25 box, you're going to get more than $25 worth of product inside that box. So go check out the Pickin's mystery boxes at hookedonpickin.com.